Hi guys, how do you like your jollof rice? Do you like it plain or you like it with assorted stuff? So if you don't mind assorted stuff in your jollof rice, this is the right recipe to make. So I started with some cooking oil and I'm adding some onions, or I added some onions, some fresh pepper, tomato paste. We're going to be making normal jollof rice from the scratch, just the way we make our jollof rice. So it's just the normal way you add your oil, your onions, your paste, and everything like that. I'll allow this fry for some minutes and I'll add the rest of my ingredients, my seasoning, my herbs, and all that to season and sweeten my jollof rice. I just added a little bit of water and I'm going to fry it for about 5 minutes to make sure that everything is cooked and I don't have that raw tomato taste. I just stirred it as well so that of course all my ingredients are well mixed together. So after cooking for about some minutes, we can see the way it's bubbling now. It's now time for me to add my washed rice. I don't usually parboil my rice and I just feel it's okay for me to cook it this way. If you parboil your rice, it depends on you anyway, it's fine. So I've added my washed rice. I'm just stirring it so that just gently. Some people believe if you stir it too much it's going to burn, but this way it doesn't really burn. I'm adding some hot water so that I can just cook my rice, not too much. And this is the next step. I'm just going to grab some cooking oil. I'm going to fry some shrimps now, just to cook it slightly for about a minute. You know, shrimps cook very fast and I don't want it overcooked. I've done that already. I'm grabbing my cooking oil again in readiness for the last bits of this exercise, and I'm frying some onions as well, which is going to be the bane of my dish. This is where the rest of my assorted stuff come in. I love bell peppers a lot and I have it in strips, so I'm just frying it alongside with my onions. Whenever I say assorted jollof rice, this is basically what I mean. Feel free to add any other vegetable of your choice. If you want to add carrots, if you want to add peas, whatever you decide is entirely up to you. I added some shrimps and my sausages as well, and like I said, I cooked the shrimps a bit the last time so that I won't overcook it all over again. And this is just me stir frying everything for like 2 minutes because basically you won't want to overcook it. At this point, it's time to add some more seasoning so that you can season these vegetables, the shrimps, and the sausages. Just feel free to add any seasoning of your choice, whatever you're okay to add into it. And guys, it's ready. I just like stir fried it for 1 more minute to make sure that everything was well fused together so that I have one unique taste and nothing is separated from the other. And it was already time for me to add my cooked rice. You can see the rice is already cooked, and yeah, our meal is ready. Just toss it gently so that it does not become too soggy and like all mashed up together, and your assorted jollof rice is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly drop a comment, kindly subscribe if you've not. I will see you in other videos. Bye.